And they're pretty mind-blowing. They can automatically select products that are likely to sell well, set competitive prices, and even help manage your inventory. Some of them can even generate product descriptions and ad copy. It's crazy, guys. With AI doing the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling your business and watching those sweet profits roll in. So, yeah, that's a wrap on 3 insane AI-powered side hustles that could seriously change your game. Whether you're into content creation, have specialized knowledge, or want to dip your toes into e-commerce, there's an AI tool out there ready to supercharge your hustle. I'm honestly blown away by how far AI has come, and I can't wait to see what's next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, this is Taha signing off.